Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring how sleep hygiene can give you a restful night and better health. Tip 1. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Tip 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Tip 3. Wind down before bed. Read a book, listen to calming music, or practice relaxation exercises. Tip 4. Limit exposure to screens. Turn off electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. Tip 5. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Tip 6. Manage your worries. Write down your thoughts in a journal to clear your mind. Tip 7. Incorporate light exercise. Gentle stretching or yoga can help prepare your body for sleep. Tip 8. If you can't sleep, get up and do something relaxing until you feel tired. Following these tips can lead to more restful nights and improved health. Give them a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips.